So we are now in step 11.6, which is all about opening, saving, and closing documents. So just like we opened up multiple applications when we opened Excel, Word, and PowerPoint at the same time, you can also open multiple documents within each application. When multiple documents are open within one application, the taskbar displays the documents stacked behind the application button. So for example, if I move over to my PowerPoint and rest my mouse over the PowerPoint, it shows two documents, two PowerPoint documents that I have um, opened, well, active on the taskbar at the same time. All right, now go to your file menu and go to recent. Now, when you go to recent, these are all files that you have been in recently. Have you ever saved a file and you had no idea where you saved that file and you were trying to look for it and couldn't find it? Well, this is a great place for you to go to find the document that you had opened recently. It also tells you where the document was saved. So for example, this document is saved in My Documents under first week of trimester folder. So that's something really great to know. Also, move over to your open command. So when you go to File Open, it opens up current documents that have been saved on your computer. So for example, if you look in this window right here, this lets us know exactly what the destination location is. So we're currently trying to open a file that is in My Documents. If I wanted to open up files on my desktop, then I would simply click on my desktop and it takes me to my files that are in my desktop. If I wanted to open up files in music, same thing, videos, pictures, and say for example if I wanted to click on and open up a folder here, then it tells me that I'm in my libraries, my picture files, and GlowTouch file. And then if I click there, it takes me to the actual file and what's in the file. So go ahead and cancel out of that. And this time we're going to actually open one of our data files that you guys saved to your key applications folder. So go back to File and Open. And you're going to go to your data files. So you're not going to follow me right now because my data files are in a different place than yours, but you're going to go to your key applications folder and access your data files. Now click step 11.7a to select it and notice the document open. Now let's close the file and go back to File, and this time go to Recent, and notice that step 11.7a is at the top of the list of recent files that have been opened, and it also gives us the destination of where the file is. The file is saved in My Documents in your in my IC3. It should be your key apps data file lesson 11 folder. All right, so open up Excel, go into your Excel file, And once you get Excel open, go back to File, Open, and go back to your data files for Lesson 11 in your Key Apps folder. And remember, I get there a different way than you do. And notice that in the file name, which is blank, it says all Excel files. Now we know we have more folders in our Lesson 11 folder, but it's only showing us the files that are Excel files because those are the only files compatible with this program. If I drop down and go to all files, notice my Word file appears, my PowerPoint file appears. Now watch what happens when you click. So if I click on step 11.7a, it tells me the file format is not valid because I am trying to open up a Microsoft Word file in Excel. The file is not compatible. So I'm going back to File, Open, and it's just always easier if it's on all Excel files because you don't have to worry about if you're opening up the wrong file in the wrong program. So open up step 11.7b and it brings up an Excel file in this program. Now go to PowerPoint and open PowerPoint. And File, Open. And it brought me back to my documents, so I need to go back to my data files in my documents. And again, nothing for the file name, but it's opening up all PowerPoint, and that's all the options that I have is my PowerPoint. So open up project 11.3, and it opens up that file as well. Go to File, Close, to close the file. Go back to File and Recent. And again, notice project 11.3 is a recent document that has been opened. Now, go back to Word and open up Word and click on your Home tab. We closed out of the step file, so let's go back and open it from our Recent. So go to Recent and move up to step 11.7a. Click on it and it opens that document. Go back to File, Open, and also open up project 11.1a. So we have two documents that are open. Now, if you move over to your Word document and right click, it shows you the programs that you have open. Click out of that and just move your hover over the Word document and it shows both documents, and I can move my mouse back and forth to go in between both documents on my screen. Close out of project 11.1, close out of step 11.7a, close out of step 11.7b, and close out of your PowerPoint file as well. This concludes this step. You just learned how to open up files properly. You learned how to go to recent to see files that you've recently been working in. And you've also learned a little bit about when a file is not compatible. I will see you on the next step.